Freeze frame, picturing my life as a freight train, hurtling towards its destination. Skipped the tracks and now I'm stressing, pressing on the brakes that aren't there. Anyone else wouldn't seem to care of all of my thoughts leading to despair. No one forgiving, but every missing the road that leads to home. Gotta get out of here, this place is driving me crazy, and my mind's being pulled in tens of thousands different directions. The storm in my head is about ready to flow. Thorns in my neck make hard for breathing, hardness of heart leading to grieving. At the moment of my death, although we both found a need fruit worthy of a fine wine vintage, alabaster flask of a sweet scent, bullet down on the stone rejected. And where do I fit with all these edges? Must I break to break free? Gotta get out of here, this place is driving me crazy, and my mind's being pulled in tens of thousands different directions. The storm in my head is about ready to flow. A raging river. Just a minute, I've been locked out of my own mind, and pains of death caress me. Aristotle holding my wine, I got tears in my eyelids. Been stuck there for a while, waiting to see just who will save me from the arrows thrown at night. Out of the lion's Rawkins instinct, beckoning to the wild, a tear falling down from the fallen, and the storm breaks into light. Freeze frame, picturing my life as a freight train, hurtling towards its destination. Skipped the tracks and now I'm stressing, pressing on the brakes that aren't there. Anyone else wouldn't seem to care of all of my thoughts leading to despair. No one forgiving, but every missing the road that leads to home.